Welcome. We're going to see some new changes for 1.1. The first one is making a blank doc element. If you right click, create, like always, go up to our elements, we make our new element. We're just going to name it test for now. And if you see here, all of this stuff looks the same except this has changed, these trackers. So these trackers are a new addition. They must be included on all of your just these basic element types. Once you do it for one, though, it'll do it for everyone in your scene object, in your object scene. Alright, that's the only change you need to be aware of for making your own elements for 1.1. There are new scenes here with rain clouds. So clouds, rain clouds, snow clouds, any type of element cloud if you like here. If you hit play, you'll see what happens is it shows you what happens when the clouds get more water in them. They get to the storming level and then they start, well, raining in this case here. So we have this, right? The rain cloud area, if we go to the settings here, this is the rain strength. We can make this less. So that means not so much rain comes down. See, now it's like a drizzle. We can make it much more. And now see, it's a little bit more of a downpour. In addition to that, this rain cloud prefab also has a box collider. This is where the rain clouds instantiate, create to. So I could always increase this if you'd like. And then by increasing it, it's going to use that as where the new clouds can form. As we see there, and now they get big and they do all that again. So the only other major addition there is the incorporation of these clouds. And I have a couple scenes to show you how to use them and how they can be used. Okay, I'd like to thank you for your support. I hope this is all useful for you. If you have additions, suggestions, bugs that you would like to report to me, feel free to leave them in the comments or on my social media links. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the package. I would love to see what you do with it in your own games. And I hope you have a good day. All right, cheers.